Hey friends, it's lunchtime and I'm hungry. So we're gonna use our little alcohol stove to boil some water so we can have our freeze-dried scrambled eggs. All right, so I have my alcohol, my 91% isopropyl alcohol. I'm gonna pour my alcohol in my little penny stove. Oh, spilled a little bit. That's okay, because I like to light it on the side here. Then it gets lit real good around the side. So while that thing gets fired up, I'm gonna go put some water in my little pot so I can boil some water. All right, so I might have put a little bit too much of the alcohol in here, but it'll probably boil it pretty quick. So we're gonna set this on here. And we're gonna let it boil while I get my scrambled eggs ready. That's a lot of scrambled eggs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil this water with the alcohol stove, then I'm going to pour it in my freeze-dried eggs, and then I'm just going to cover it and let it sit for a little bit. Don't forget, folks, you need a penny to throw on there. I forgot. That'll keep that flame from getting too high. We got some bubbles. All right, folks, so I just poured my boiling water into my freeze-dried eggs. I'm gonna let that cool off. I'm gonna let this sit for a bit. Stir it real quick. I'm gonna let that sit. Then we will check it out and I'll eat it, but that is how you can use an alcohol stove to heat up some water for your food. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks for the view. Remember to hit that subscribe button if you want, no pressure, and make sure to work hard because hard work is its own reward. It's super valuable, and thanks for watching.